A beautiful decoration with a vase and submerged silver baubles. It takes your breath away. And preparing it is an extraordinary adventure with a magical end result. To create the decoration, use various silver baubles, but first, fill them with water. If you don't do this, you won't achieve the expected result. Styrofoam baubles won't work either because they will float on the surface. Pour a few hydrogel beads onto the bottom of the vase. Remember that you need to prepare them in advance. They should be in the water for about 8 hours to reach the desired size. Place silver baubles on top of them. Gradually add more beads and arrange additional baubles in different places. You can also use openwork baubles. They will look beautiful in the vase. Gradually pour in the water when the vase is almost full. Your eyes will see the ornaments you placed in it one after another. When you see the whole effect, you can always make some adjustments. You can freely move the decorations in the hydrogel. Finally, place 3 floating candles on the surface of the beads, and you're done. Such a decoration will delight all guests. It looks beautiful. Use golden baubles. Arrange the first bauble on the layer of beads and add another layer of beads. Gradually place additional baubles in different locations. It's good if they come in different sizes. When the vase is full, start pouring water into it slowly. Now the magic begins. Baubles that were not visible just moments ago between the beads will start to appear. Such a vase will be an incredibly beautiful decoration for any festive table. The submerged baubles in the water create an amazing effect that is impossible to look away from. You can make such a beautiful vase with submerged flowers yourself. This decoration looks like something from the top shelf. To create it, you'll need hydrogel beads and artificial poinsettia flowers, also known as Christmas stars. You can also use artificial holly and red pine cones or dried flowers in shades of red. Pour hydrogel beads onto the bottom of the vase. Arrange the first flower in them and add more beads. When there are more beads, place additional ornaments, artificial holly, and dried flowers in them. Continuously add beads, gradually. Submerge another poinsettia flower in them. When the vase is almost full, start pouring water in slowly. The full beauty of your creation will be revealed before your eyes. Place 3 floating candles on top, and you're done. A beautiful decoration is finished, an ornament that will enchant every child, big and small. To achieve the best effect, use various decorations: a plastic house, Christmas trees, and figures. Place the house, Christmas trees, and children figures at the bottom of the container. Gently cover them with hydrogel beads. Once you've covered them, arrange a layer of beads with Santa Claus and reindeer. Add another layer of beads. Finally, take a pitcher of water and slowly start pouring it into the vase. An extraordinary picture will begin to emerge before your eyes. Gradually, all the details will come into view. First, the house. Children and Christmas trees will appear. As you pour the water, suddenly Santa Claus on his sleigh will appear, suspended as if in the air above the house. It's almost hard to believe that the trick with hydrogel beads allows you to create such a beautiful, magical scene. Oh, wow! This is amazing. Prepare a watertight aquarium. Place several holiday houses at the bottom. Pour a generous amount of hydrogel beads available in gardening stores. Level them with your hand and add more holiday figurines. I used carousels, little people, and small Christmas trees. Then add another layer with the beads. Pour some water inside. See what happens. Suddenly, the figurines will start to emerge. Use your hand or a stick to stir the beads a bit. Those small bubbles are trapped air between the hydrogel beads and need to be released from the aquarium. Prepare a dark blue card, take white paint, and paint dots on it. Then attach it to the aquarium. Pour another batch of beads, level them. Prepare a Santa Claus on a sleigh figurine and place it on the beads. Cover it with another layer of hydrogel. Now, the best part. Start filling the aquarium with water. What's about to happen will look magical. A festive scene will gradually appear before our eyes. It looks incredible. Thanks to the beads, everything stays in place. Keep adding water because the magic happens at the very end. Santa Claus on a sleigh will literally fly over the town, all thanks to the hydrogel beads, which, when combined with water, become transparent. The figurines stay in place, creating a beautiful scene. If you have cotton at home, you can do another cute thing. Tear small pieces and form balls, then place them in the aquarium at different heights. Santa's sleigh will create the effect of clouds hovering over the town. Add a few around the sleigh and reindeer. It must be admitted that the whole thing looks adorable. It gives a 3D effect to the winter sky. Turn on the lights and you're done. Beautiful glass Christmas ornament with a snowman inside. You just need one large coffee jar, preferably with the right shape. Take paper tape and stick it on the jar in the shape of a window, just like I do in the video. This will be the most important part of the jar when it becomes a Christmas ornament, so take your time with it. Once you have the jar covered with tape, you will need acrylic paint and a sponge for application. Use white paint and apply it to the untaped part of the jar. Paint the entire jar in this way and let it dry. When the jar is dry, remove the paper tape. On the edge of the created window, attach small spruce branches with hot glue. Do it in a way that preserves the shape of the window. You can also add artificial rowan berries to them. Attach them also with hot glue. Put a bit of cotton at the bottom of the jar. In Christmas decorations, it looks like snow and will be the perfect element of this ornament. On the cotton in the jar, place a snowman or another figurine you have at home. Glue some decoration onto the jar lid. I used an artificial poinsettia flower. I glued it with hot glue, and it's done. A beautiful ornament made from a Nescafe coffee jar will decorate any shelf in your home. Children can move it to different places and enjoy its view throughout Christmas.